If you need a reminder on how to work percents, here is a little reminder. Here's the last problem from the quiz. It is involving a amount of money that you have, $15,000, and a percent decrease. Now, I'm not going to do this problem, but I will show you a similar problem so that when you do the quiz, you can see how that's done. Step 1, add or subtract the percent markup or markdown. Okay, so here's our example problem. So say there's a car for $8,000 and the mark down is going to be, we'll say it's 15% markdown. So step 1, you can change the markup or markdown. So you know that 100% of that car is the $8,000, but we're cutting off 15%. So this whole thing, remember, is 100%, so this part here has to be 85%. So if you're paying for 85% of something, then you know you're not paying all of it, you're just paying 100. You're paying less than 100%. So you can add or subtract the markup or markdown. So that's what I've done here. I have 85%. Now I'm going to calculate the new amount that you'll pay. So the new amount you'll be paying is 85% if you have a 15% markdown. Then change the percent to a decimal by dividing by 100. So 85 divided by 100 is 0.85. Move the decimal twice to the left. 0.85. And then you multiply the decimal by the original number. So 8,000 times 0.85. So 1, 2, 3 zeros. And then 40. And then put in a 0 there. And then 3 more zeros. 1, 2, 3. And then 64. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros with an 8 and a 6 here. And now there's 2 decimal places in my factors, so I need 2 decimal places in my answer. So the answer is going to be, for this problem here, for this problem here, it's going to be $6,800. That's a 15% markdown. Step 1, figure out what you're actually going to be paying. If you're marking off 15%, then you're paying 85%. Then convert the 85% to a decimal, then multiply the decimal by the original number, and then your new number is your sale price.